Well, it's about, let's see, 10 to 6, and she has been talking so much the last couple days, and she usually talks a lot in the evenings and first thing in the morning. Don't you? You talking a lot? Yeah. Tell us. Tell us. Yeah? We want to hear all about it. Yeah. You're right. You're right. She's talking so much. You're right, honey. What else? What else you got for us? Yeah? That too, huh? Anything else? Yeah. Really? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my goodness. You're kidding. Are you looking at the lights? You looking at the lights? Huh? Yeah, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Huh? Or is that it? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. No. Goodbye? Okay. Goodbye.